Your daddy out here showing out and fucking shit up. Motherfucker. Up, where you at? What's going on? Oh man, come on now. Doing pretty good about you?
You want to ride back?
Nigga, ride back.
No. I'm talking about. I'm trying to think of
Your daddy out here showing out and fucking shit up. Man.
Mother started up though, probably just bit the push rod. You know, I've been in this motherfucker before.
Man, he look like he all beat up. Going right here. Oh,